now we've got Rob Laird to come forward as our gold sponsor to say a few words. You've already had your words, that's it. You're going to have to put more in the kitty now, that's all right. Money for comment.
Yeah, no. I've already said everything I wanted to say.
I don't believe that.
But I didn't get to thank everyone for being here and thank Arbor for giving us the opportunity to be the gold sponsors, although we paid for it, so I guess that's how you get it. To be fair, GA took the silver and we thought, well, there's an opportunity there. Look, I really like being in a room full of people that understand. You know, like so often, like even just sitting at the dinner table with my parents, and I'm in a room with people that I have to explain things to, and it's just nice that we can come here and just move straight on from the explaining and start trying to solve problems together. I'll just give the shameless plug quickly, just a little bit about Toolijooa. We encompass everything we've been talking about today, as I sort of mentioned earlier on. We started as a nursery on the back of the growing tube stock provenant plants for council contracts. The managing director saw an opportunity to start planting the plants as well, so and to start doing regenerating reserves on the northern beaches. So we started building an operations arm. We've grown to the point now where we've got the nurseries in West Hoxton, produces between 500,000 to 1 million tube stock per year. Obviously, we collect all our own seed along with that, so we do quite a lot of seed collection around the Sydney Basin and up in the Hunter. And from an operations perspective, we've got 6 divisions operating in Sydney and Hunter Valley. We've just started a very small division in the Sunshine Coast, which is very exciting. And we've got anywhere between 150 and 180 staff. So I guess I say that just to let you know that there is a future for professional regen contractors and that we can make a real fist of it. And for me, the problem we're dealing with can be really depressing sometimes, just to touch on what I said earlier. You know, like, we got a real challenge on our hands. But coming to work every day and working for a company like Toolijooa and coming to conferences like this and seeing that it extends, you know, our competitors, just every single person involved in this work is passionate about it. And that's the only reason you get involved in it. And that excites me, and I look forward to moving forward with all that. Collaboration is the key. Let's keep talking about this stuff. We tend to only hear from we just get on with working, you know. We just get on with doing restoration activities in the field and regenerating reserves, planting plants, all that sort of stuff. And I find we don't have a lot of contact with science through that. I think a lot of people's involvement with science ends a lot of our project managers' involvement with science ends the day they finish their environmental science degree, you know. And it's times like this that really reinforce to me how much we miss that. And I really look forward moving on from today to hopefully meeting a few more people after this when we have the chat, getting some cards and trying to maintain that contact in the interim, because it's really important, and we want to do good work and we want to be a part of it. Thanks.
Right here. Right here.